Well, howdy y'all, it's Andrew from Pop's Car Shop. Today we're going to be talking about my 77, I guess it's a C10 and a half. But anyway, in this video we're going to talk about taking the bed off, shortening the frame, shortening the exhaust, and then shortening each bed side. And I hope you enjoy. Well, it's almost showtime. Getting ready to shorten the frame on my 77 Chevy. Got the tanks pulled off. Got to take the brake lines off still, the exhaust, but got my Metalux plates down at the Dino's Get Down. Got my C10 talk sticker. It's very important. And of course, got the Metalux shirt on. It's a very important part. So, well, we'll see what happens. So I ran into my first little snag here. Apparently, you're supposed to have a hole right about here, used for a reference point to make your first cut, and then you measure off 14 inches. But my frame is a freak, of course, so I don't have that hole. Probably because the truck's a 3/4 ton. So anyway, the guys at Metalux got back to me right away, which was really awesome. They told me I can bolt it up here. Find the center of this, mark that, and that's my first cut. Measure back 14 inches. We should be good to go. So I've been squaring it up. Got the frame beveled, ready for welding. It's looking pretty good. So now I'm gonna take it back apart, prep the inside, and well, then it's ready to weld her up. Well, I got the frame all welded up. Got that welded, butt welded on the top, bottom, and the outside. And then it's bolted and welded to the inside. So, you know, just took me all day. Still gotta take 6 inches off the very back of the frame and then shorten all the other stuff. Well, here's today's progress. Got the brake line shortened, reattached. Got the exhaust welded back up. Got my saddle tanks on, the shorter ones, because that one over there, that one's too long. So, still got to cut the 6 inches off there. I need to get new leaf springs because this one's broken. It's no good. So, yeah, not bad for a weekend. To the point of no return. Got the back and the front marked out for cutting. Here's the stake side pocket, moving that back. So here goes nothing. Here's the aftermath of the cuts. Gonna be a short bed. There's the extra. So I got the insides trimmed down, got my plug weld holes drilled, got the flange bent. Now I just gotta install this bad boy in there. Actually goes under that, but yeah, that's what I got going on. So here it is all welded up. So I got the back tacked on, but I got to flip it over and finish welding the back, and she's good to go. Here's the original bedside, and here's the shortened one. I'm gonna try to bust out the other one tomorrow, but so far so good. Just about ready to put the bed on. You gotta get creative when you work by yourself and you have a tight shop. So I'll see if I can get this on here without hurting myself. Probably not.
The Chevrolet. Guess I should have swept the floor first. Oh, partner. Oh, that's the window.
Oh yeah. Looks like a short box. And it's all thanks to this contraption. Yes, I will be shortening these. They look stupid. In other news, this custom bumper thing weighs about 200 pounds. I'm probably gonna get like 5 miles of the gallon better in this thing. But she's rigid. Well, if you're seeing this part of the video, you made it all the way to the end. And I really thank you for that. So if you want to, go ahead and click that, subscribe button, like, give us a comment, see if you want to see more of this truck. And catch you next time.